तेलंगाना बीजेपी के सदर एन रामचंद्र राव ने वोटर लिस्टों की एसआईआर कार्रवाई पर रियासती हुकूमत के खिलाफ संगीन इल्जाम आयद किए हैं। उन्होंने दावा किया कि रियासती हुकूमत फैमिली कार्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हुए नाअहल अफराद को एसआईआर वोटर लिस्ट में शामिल करने की कोशिश कर रही। रामचंद्र राव ने कहा कि वोटर फहरिस्त की नजरसानी के अमल में शफाफियत बरकरार रखना जरूरी है और किसी भी गैर अहल शख्स का नाम शामिल नहीं किया जाना चाहिए। ताहम ये इल्जामात बीजेपी सदर की जानिब से आयद किए गए हैं और उनकी आज़ादाना तस्दीक सामने नहीं आई।
Telangana government during the process of SAR brought in a family registration certificate which will be valid for as an identity proof for inclusion of the names in the voter list. Unfortunately, that particular family registration certificate with a malified intention was introduced by the Telangana government to enable the bogus voters, especially in the Masjid areas, to get enrolled in the voter list, thereby making certain people who are not having proper identification to get voters to get enrolled in voter list. And for that, Bharatiya Janata Party represented to Election Commission, and Election Commission of India subsequent to that passed an order not allowing FRC certificate, that is family register certificate, to be used for the purpose of enrollment in voter list. The objection raised by Bharatiya Janata Party was that, and it was also even discussed in the Election Commission of India order, that family registration certificate is only given according to 2013 AP order. It is equivalent to the ration card, and the benefits to be received from the government, for that this certificate is okay. And for getting the subsidized rice from the ration shop, for that purpose this certificate